Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Then type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c: / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c: /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.